Welcome to Sky Citizen Travels, your ultimate destination for all things travel. As citizens of the sky, whether you're a tourist or just dreaming of your next adventure, our channel is here to inspire and guide you on your journey. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have been asking about, immigrating to Europe. Specifically, we're breaking down the easiest countries to get yourself situated and on the path to citizenship. Now, I know the idea of picking up your life and moving to another continent can feel daunting, but trust me, the benefits can be huge. We're talking potential access to world-class healthcare, top-notch education systems, and let's not forget the rich history and culture you'd be immersing yourself in. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 countries that are known for having more accessible immigration processes. Stick around, because we're about to make your European dream a little bit closer to reality. First up, let's talk about Portugal. Now, Portugal has become a hotspot for expats, and it's not hard to see why. One of the biggest draws is the Golden Visa program. This program basically lets you get residency by investing in real estate. And guys, we're not talking about dropping millions here. You can find apartments in some areas for around 350,000 euros, which, let's be honest, is less than some shoebox condos in LA these days.
But even if real estate isn't your thing, Portugal has other options like the D7 visa. This one's perfect if you have a passive income stream like rental income or a remote business. Basically, you just need to prove you have enough coming in to support yourself, and boom, you're in.
And the best part? Portugal has a pretty straightforward path to citizenship. After living there for 5 years as a resident, you can apply. That's right, 5 years to potentially call yourself a European citizen. Not bad, right? Next up, we're heading over to Spain, a country known for its laid-back lifestyle, delicious food, and relatively easy immigration policies. Spain is a land of vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning landscapes. From the bustling streets of Madrid to the serene beaches of Costa del Sol, there's something for everyone. The Spanish way of life is all about enjoying the moment, whether it's through a leisurely meal with friends or a relaxing afternoon siesta. And let's not forget the festivals. Spain is famous for its lively celebrations, from the running of the bulls in Pamplona to La Tomatina in Buñol. It's a country that knows how to live life to the fullest. Spain has a few different visa options depending on your situation. Whether you're looking to retire, invest, or start a business, there's likely a visa that fits your needs. The process might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of research and preparation, it can be quite manageable. Spain's immigration policies are designed to attract a diverse range of people, from retirees looking for a peaceful place to spend their golden years to entrepreneurs eager to tap into the European market. One popular choice is the non-lucrative visa. This visa is perfect for those who want to enjoy the Spanish lifestyle without the need to work. It's ideal for retirees or anyone with sufficient savings. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves, spending your days exploring charming villages, and indulging in delicious Spanish cuisine. The non-lucrative visa allows you to do just that. To qualify, you'll need to show proof of financial means, such as bank statements or pension income. It's a great option for those who want to experience the Spanish way of life without the pressures of employment. Plus, with Spain's affordable cost of living, your savings can go a long way. Think of it like retirement, but in a country where you can enjoy sunny beaches and endless tapas. Spain's Mediterranean climate means you can enjoy outdoor activities year-round, from hiking in the mountains to swimming in the sea. And with a rich culinary tradition, you'll never run out of new dishes to try. Whether you're savoring fresh seafood on the coast or sampling local wines in a quaint village, Spain offers a feast for the senses. But hold on, there's more. Spain's visa options don't stop there. The country has made it easier for people from all walks of life to make Spain their home. Whether you're an investor, an entrepreneur, or simply someone looking for a change of scenery, Spain has a visa program that can help you achieve your dreams. Spain also has something called the Golden Visa program, similar to Portugal's. This program is designed to attract foreign investment by offering residency in exchange for a significant financial commitment. It's a win-win situation. You get to live in one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and Spain benefits from your investment. Invest a certain amount in real estate, and bam, you're on your way to residency. The Golden Visa program requires a minimum investment, typically in real estate, but it can also include other forms of investment such as business ventures or government bonds. This visa is particularly attractive to those looking to purchase a second home or invest in Spain's growing property market. And the real estate market here is pretty diverse, so you can find everything from charming villas in the countryside. These properties offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, with stunning views and plenty of space to relax. Whether you're looking for a rustic farmhouse or a modern villa, the Spanish countryside has something to offer, to sleek apartments in bustling cities. If you prefer the excitement of urban living, Spain's cities have a lot to offer. From the modern high-rises of Madrid to the historic charm of Barcelona, there's a wide range of properties to choose from. City living in Spain means easy access to cultural attractions, world-class dining, and vibrant nightlife. And number 3, Germany, where efficiency meets opportunity. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Germany, a powerhouse known for its strong economy and high quality of life. Germany is not just a country, it's a symbol of precision, innovation, and resilience. Germany might not be the first place that comes to mind when you think easy immigration, but trust me, it's worth considering. The country has a well-structured immigration system that aims to attract the best talent from around the world. One of the best things about Germany is its focus on attracting skilled workers. The country understands the value of expertise and is keen on bringing in individuals who can contribute to its economy. They have a points-based system where you earn points based on your education, work experience, and language skills. This system ensures that only the most qualified individuals make it through. So, if you've got some serious skills to bring to the table, Germany might just roll out the welcome mat. The integration process is also quite smooth, with various programs and initiatives aimed at helping newcomers settle in and feel at home. And once you're in, get ready to be impressed by the quality of life. We're talking affordable healthcare, excellent public transportation, and a plethora of recreational activities. The social services in Germany are top-notch, ensuring that everyone has access to the basic necessities of life. From unemployment benefits to childcare, the system is designed to support its residents in every possible way. Plus, Germany is super centrally located in Europe, so you can easily hop on a train and explore other countries on your days off. The connectivity is simply amazing. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the language barrier. Yes, German can be a challenging language to learn, but it's not impossible. There are numerous language schools and online resources that can help you get a good grasp of the language. Yes, learning German will definitely make your life easier, but don't let that scare you off. The effort you put into learning the language will pay off in the long run, making your integration into German society much smoother. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next chapter. Number 4, Ireland. The Emerald Isle awaits next up. We're heading to the Emerald Isle, Ireland. This enchanting country, with its rich history and vibrant culture, has long been a favorite among travelers and expats alike. Known for its friendly locals, stunning landscapes, and yes, its love of a good Guinness, Ireland has become a popular destination for expats. The warmth and hospitality of the Irish people are legendary, making it easy for newcomers to feel at home. One of the biggest draws to Ireland is its booming job market, especially in the tech sector. Over the past decade, Ireland has positioned itself as a global tech hub, attracting major companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple. Dublin in particular has become a hub for major tech companies, which means there are plenty of job opportunities for skilled workers. And if you're lucky enough to land a job in Ireland, get ready to enjoy a high quality of life. The work-life balance in Ireland is highly regarded, with ample vacation time and a strong emphasis on family and leisure. Ireland boasts a strong education system, excellent healthcare, and a vibrant culture. The country's schools and universities are well regarded, providing top-notch education for children and adults alike. Now, Ireland does have a few different visa options depending on your circumstances, but one popular choice is the Critical Skills Employment Permit. This permit is designed to attract highly skilled workers to Ireland, particularly in sectors where there is a shortage of talent.
Number 5.
Malta island life and citizenship perks last, but not least, we're jetting off to the beautiful island nation of Malta. Now, Malta is a bit unique because it offers a path to citizenship through investment, and it's actually one of the fastest ways to get a second passport in Europe.
We're talking about the Malta Citizenship by Investment program. Now, this program does come with a hefty price tag, but for some, it's worth it for the benefits that come with a Maltese passport. We're talking visa-free travel to over 180 countries, including the US, Canada, and throughout Europe.
But even if you're not looking to drop $1 million on citizenship, Malta still has a lot to offer. The cost of living is relatively affordable, the weather is amazing year-round, and the people are known for their warm hospitality. Plus, Malta is a member of the European Union, which means you'll have access to all the benefits that come with that, like freedom of movement and access to the single market. So there you have it, 5 of the easiest European countries to immigrate to and potentially gain citizenship. Whether you're drawn to Portugal's golden visa program, Spain's laid-back lifestyle, Germany's strong economy, Ireland's booming job market, or Malta's citizenship perks, there's a European country out there calling your name, waiting to be explored. Remember, immigrating to another country is a big decision, and it's important to do your research and choose the path that's right for you and your family. But hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and advice on achieving financial freedom and living your best life, wherever you choose to go. And don't forget to check out the description below, where I've linked some helpful resources to get you started on your European adventure.